Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Today I'll teach you how to make my very own recipe, watermelon lemonade. I've been doing it for a couple of years already, and I received some good feedback from my customers. So let's start. Okay, here are the ingredients. We'll be using whole lemon, chunks of watermelon, sugar syrup. By the way, if you don't know how to make sugar syrup, it's just 1 part water, 1 part sugar, and just heat it up. Then next we have water, ice cubes, and we'll be using the cocktail shaker. So first we'll just use half of it. Slice the lemon in half. Slice the lemon in half. After that, we slice it into thin pieces. So this is the other half. Slice it into thin pieces. Okay, next we'll place it inside the cocktail shaker. These are the lemons. After that, let's add 1 ounce sugar syrup and the chunks of watermelon. After that, we add 2 or 3 ice cubes, or you can make it 4. Don't add water yet, so you can crush the watermelon to make it juice. Then shake. Then after shaking, we're gonna add 10 ounce water, since we're gonna make 16 ounce drink. So 10 ounce water. Then let's shake it again. No need to apply force this time because you already crushed the watermelon and the lemon. So after that, is ready to serve. So there you have it, watermelon lemonade.